Hey guys, my name is Belek, and in this video we're gonna talk about Selenium. Selenium is a family of web browser automation tools used mostly for software testing, but you can also use it to automate cool projects. For example, looking for a great deal in housing market. Before we're gonna talk about Selenium more deeply, you should know why software testing is important. Well, it's pretty straightforward. The potential bugs found in software could be costly and dangerous, and the main goal and idea of testing is to eliminate as many bugs as possible. So there are two types of testing, automation and manual. And manual testing is when a tester takes a role of an end user and tests the application for defects, whereas automation, as you guessed it, uses some kind of automation tool like Selenium to mimic actions of end user based on certain scenarios. So when people say Selenium, they usually mean WebDriver, but there's more to Selenium than just a WebDriver. Selenium family also consists of Selenium IDE, Selenium RC, and Selenium Grid. We're not going to talk about Selenium RC since Selenium RC is deprecated. So Selenium IDE is record and playback tool used mostly for small projects, and it supports only Chrome and Firefox. So which means if you want to use a IE or any other browsers, you're stuck. So you have to choose a different tool. Selenium Grid is a concept of hub and node to make it easier to do parallel testing and test the application against different platforms like different browsers and operation systems. So what is Selenium WebDriver? Selenium WebDriver automates browsers using its native ability for automation. Basically, it's a middleman between your Selenium code and the browser. Before you start learning Selenium, you should know basics of DOM manipulation. By DOM manipulation, I mean working with web elements. Once you figure out how to write a good, reliable locator, you can start looking at the Selenium API. You should decide which language do you want to use. I would suggest you to go with Java, since Java has a huge community of Selenium users. Once you learn how to write a good, reliable locator, start automating your daily boring activities or the different scenarios. At this point, you should be ready to start automating task cases in a real environment. Thank you for watching this. For more videos like this, please consider subscribing to this channel. We're gonna create more videos on Selenium and technology and programming.